Kain tayo ng popcorns. Ayan, ang dami oh. 2 bandihado. Organic popcorns. Bagong luto. Kain tayo ng popcorns. Unong sobo sa inyong lahat, mga viewers. Magpa-fry tayo ng popcorn. Yung organic popcorns namin. Ito na tinanim last year. Ayan ito. Kasi yung 2 pamangkin ng asawa ko, yung bayaw ko, ipagkuhan dito kasi sila. So maggagawa ako ng popcorn para sa 2 bata. Sa amin na din, kay Langga, kay Fatma, kay Fahad. Kasi gusto ko rin itong popcorn. Magpiprito kami. Magpiprito ako ng popcorn. Mainit na itong mantika. Or kung may butter kayo, pwede nyong lagyan ng butter. Kaya lang wala akong butter. So, oil itong nilagay ko, mga 2 tablespoons. Ayan. Cover natin. Maya magputok-putok na yan. Ayan. Start ng putok. Ayan. Daming putok.
Hello.
Hi, I'm cooking popcorn. You like popcorn? You like? You took the video. I'm making video. Say good morning. Hello everyone. Hello everyone.
Hello everyone.
My name is?
My name is
What is your name?
Hamza.
Hamza.
Yes.
And when you're going back in Germany?
I'm
Wapas. Wapas in Germany. You like popcorn?
Yes.
That's why I cook popcorn. Now we transfer it. Rafi, wake up or no?
Rafi, wake up.
Yeah. Mama, your mama, what she's doing, your mama? Nandun yung baba.
Wash button.
Wash?
Button.
Wash button? Containers, Ayan, first batch. Ayan. I will make more, okay?
Okay.
Maybe it's still hot, then you can become cold, then you eat. I check lang.
You butter.
Huh?
Butter.
Huh?
Butter.
Butter?
Butter.
Water?
Yes.
So I think water, Wait, I give you water. What is water in German? What you call water in German?
Wasser.
Huh?
Wasser.
Wasser?
Yes.
You know how to speak German?
I can speak.
Yeah. And what you call this? What is your name in German?
Hamza.
Nay, in German, how you can tell? आपका नाम क्या है in German?
Hamza. Yay. Hamza.
Nay, okay, German.
German. Hamza.
You cannot understand me. Yeah, I start cook. You want to put salt?
What?
Short.
Yes.
Namak.
Yes.
Namak ba?
Yes.
Oh, salt. Hair, move hair. No, you can eat now. You can eat. Because I eat more. I make more. Gusto ko kasi itong popcorn din.
Yes.
Nice?
What?
You like?
Yeah. Hello.
Cooking popcorns. Ayan, putok-putok na ang popcorns.
One popcorn there.
There. No problem. Good, Rafi.
Nice.
Ayan, kumakain yung dalawang bata. Gumawa ako nito para sa kanila. Kau na, adaro.
Hello, my name is Hamza.
This is last 1, 2, 3, 4 times I cook, but this is last one. Ayan, putok-putok.
Hey! They are cooking there.
Eh?
They are cooking. Hey! Hey! My name is Yoshida.
Sa susunod naman yung iba na lutuin. Lagyan natin ng salt. So ayan dalawang bandihado na popcorns. Silang tulog. Hindi siya natutulog. Kanina kumain siya, pinakain ko siya ng almusal, mga 11:30 yata yon, 11:30 AM. Tapos ayun nakahiga. Nakahiga lang siya. Medyo naman yung kanyang pakiramdam ngayon. Hindi maganda yung kanyang pakiramdam. Ito lahat yung aking ginawa o niluto na popcorns. Ayan, ang dami. Kasi marami kaming kakain. Yung dalawang bata from Germany. Ayan, si Rafi, Hello, Rafi. Hamza? Kita rin, Hamza. Ayan si Hamza. Kau no? You eat now na popcorn.